Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Fynllur Air Fryer Oven XL 14.7 Quarts 1800W Toaster Oven 16-in-1 Oilless Cooker. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. The 14.7 quart of Fynllur air fryer can serve a family of at least 6 to 7 people, and is suitable for family and friends gatherings. The stylish modern appearance of the advanced touchscreen menu, with 1800 watts of power and 360-degree cycle cooking. The cooking temperature can reach up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be adjusted in increments of 5 degrees. You can use it in every meal of the day. Buying our fryer is equivalent to owning air fryer, oven, rotisserie, toaster, and dehydrator. With 16 presets, you can French fries, proof, defrost, keep warm, cake, cookie, dehydrate, vegetables, skewer, fish, steak, chicken, toast, popcorn, pizza, wings. Easy to clean, grill components, bakeware, and grill can all be cleaned in the dishwasher. During the cooking process, as long as the door is opened, the machine will automatically stop. If the door is not closed within 10 minutes, the machine will shut down. If you close the door, cooking will continue. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.